Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky's so clear.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking you along to a fun road trip adventure all the way to Port Douglas, Australia. Let's go!
Enjoy the view, guys. Bro, buwet sun galing ko dito mo niyo. Bo? Look sa daan, eh.
Rex, look out.
No map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me.
Hi bird!
Bird, did you know?
Hi bird!
Fly, fly.
Wallaby! Wallaby! Hi! Say hi! Hi Wallaby! Nadari oh.
Travel with me, where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me, sipping coffee in small cafes, writing postcards along the way, singing songs under neon skies, painting the world with you and I. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll find the magic every night.
Mantay ate kita po dia kanang bird. Ano siya?
Tulog man siguro, nocturnal man gud siya.
Kasuhar.
Asa man?
Natulog.
No, there's a real one here.
Pero ba di sila nag-sleep?
Aman.
Pero oh. Sleep gid sila man eh. Pero
Nocturnal man sila.
kasuhari.
Bako gid kay ba?
Dili pa gid na maumami, bata pa na.
Mura man nag-bird nga baboy.
Rago stretch na.
Aman. Uy, hi parrot.
May konti ate.
Hi parrot.
Hello.
Hello.
Lalat kay ba?
Hi. Hi. Panglupad man ilang duck. Hi duck.
Hello, Dad.
Hi. Uy, hindi pang lupad ilang duck. Hi bird.
Hello, Dad.
Every laugh, every leap, a memory we'll always keep. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me, underneath a thousand skies. We'll leave the past and say goodbye.
Three kangaroos daw.
Ha?
3 kangaroos.
Very good.
Hi to the, what is this? Duckling?
Nadako mama, nadako kayo.
Dali. Please stay on the path. This is a wildlife area. Hey, where are we gonna agi? Mata mo agi?
No.
Dadako kayo, daddy, oh! Daddy,
What is that?
what is that? Ay, oh my god.
My God, is that
That's so big.
Two suckers. Two suckers. Two suckers. Two suckers. Two suckers. Hi.
Tara, ate, oh, feed, oh. Oh my god. Wala ko, ate. Hali, ate. Oh my god, food, ate. Feed, ate. Just feed. Feed. Oy, where are you going?
Hello.
Where to see the kangaroo? Kangaroo, guys. So, guys. Hi, guys.
Feed.
Tanaw sa area, baby. Oh, ate. Gi. Gi, mami. Gi, dool. Lingkod to. Ano? Dila mo mag... Ako, be. Okay, guys. I will feed the kangaroo. Guys, area, ate, ha?
You wanna feed the kangaroo, Day? Ito, oh, dagan, dadto lang, oh.
First, I'll feed the duck.
Uy, ayoko. Uy. Uy, makan kayo, mana.
Pato na lang. Naradadart, padool na siya.
I feed the duck.
Padool siya, oh. You call the kangaroo. Yay! Yay! Dala ate. Yay! Hi! Ate is feeding. Ako daddy be, ako be. Ako dadart be. Yeah. Gilo kayo. Yeah.
Say hi to kangaroo, baby. Oh. Kangaroo. Look at the kangaroo. Wala, nagpiting si ate sa kangaroo. Oh. Do not put in your mata. Ano yung wipes mo, maybe? Wipes mo.
Ooh. No, there's a bag.
Bigay sa mami, bigay sa.
Hala! Baby! Uy, bantay lang ka ba sige ang kumuton? Ah, you like the kangaroo?
Yay! Lapit ha. Pet the kangaroo.
Pet on the back only. Hayo sa ulo.
On the back only daw. Na rules. Kasi ate ga follow sa rules. Hi! No, do not pull the ears, ha? Pansina po daw kuno sila daddy. Halo duckling. Isigira kangaroo per me. Let's go to the Crocarena, swim with the salties. Ate Chini will gonna swim with the salties. Ate Chini will gonna swim with the salties.
Crocodile. Guys.
Mira, manday mo dira. Tulog mo? Ay, natulog mo na sila daddy.
Crocodile guys.
Kainit lagi sila ba?
Crocodile.
Uy, nalagi dari ang kuan.
Siguro sa tubig lang.
Cool! Kumusta naman diya, cool?
Love. Ipit.
Nalagi ka diya, cool.
Iya kan kikuanan mami no.
Kumusta naman, cool? Dako-dako na, tax ni mo nga savings, cool. Sa mo na, ay mura magtulog.
Ipatanaw ta.
So big.
Tanaw sa area.
Ano si Uncle? Cool, kumusta na ka? Kulsada lagi kayo mong cool. Nepo ko.
Tanaw na po siya.
Nepo baby. Init yan ko lo kay dako man siya og nakurakot. Cool, tambukan na nimo cool. Oy. Hala. Katambok gud nimo cool. Kami siguro imong kaon cool mo
Very
sige
big.
kag kaog steak.
Steak unsa kay lang ginabaw ka.
Steak siguro imong kaon cool no. Kay grabe man gid ka kadako cool. Uy,
Dito sa Japan no?
dako gud nimo
Friends
cool.
siguro na niya ba?
Uy, simbak ko.
Tulog man dai.
Manambok na gid siya gid og kinaulog
ba?
steak.
Tulog man dai.
Grabe ang cool boy.
Taas kay
You wanna swim with them, ate? Because you can swim daw with the salties. That's gulayat. Steak iyang ginakaon.
Pwede eh.
Part
Open ba?
upgrades underway. Madlok siya kay dagko kay langgam. Ay dili close. Biab. Aun sa man eh. Le. Dili man na siya magun sa ate. Hi. Hi bird. Ano sa dami?
Solid.
Please stay on the
Pelikan siguro na ba? Marag family sa pelikan.
Katol gay, gikutok ka? Gikutok na to eh. Lolo, lolo. Oh my god, oh my god. Ano, dali. Wala. Wala. Kukatu. Hello. Hello. Hi.
What is your iPhone?
Hi.
Are you saying Gabby? Are you saying hello? Are you?
Hello.
Are you ready? Do you want to do a big wing to welcome these people? Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Big wing! Yay! Big wing! Yay! Big wing! You say hello and welcome.
Hi. Say hi. Hi.
Just like in and out, a bit of stimulation.
Thank you. Where's the koala? Ay, tura dadi ato.
Bigay ka ni mami. Ano ba? Oh? Kuya pingalanggam mo. Sa mga maraming sa pwede ba? Nagpapag langgam ka na po.
Yay, bird.
Para ako kuala o. Saan mo ba? Bird yan. Saan mo ba?
Every sunset in your eyes feels like home, feels so right. Travel with me, oh travel with me, over the seas, wild and free. Come on, travel with me.
Wake up, little bunny.
Ako, may sila ko.
Hi, little bunny.
Nakita si Iris.
is sleepy? Koala is sleepy? Wait, what is that? Owl.
No, that's not the owl. Oh,
Owl.
but no.
Owl na?
No, that's not the owl. That's
Owl.
the freaking owl.
Owl. I think that's an owl.
No, that's not the owl.
That is. But it's not big eyes lagi ba?
Kuya, okay ba kay
What is
naka-camouflage sa kahoy ba?
Owl.
Naka-camouflage sa kahoy ba?
Owl. That's an owl?
Bird.
Ay, pula man kay mata nakasuyop. Di ba himutang luyo sa sibudo. Kasuyop pa rin siya. Pula man kay mata.
Kachungki.
Kachungki ka. Kachungki ka it. Ha? Kachungki ka? Pula hag mata oy. Kachungki ka? Sikuha oy. Hi bird. Hi bird.
Bird.
Hi.
Come on, travel with me.
Bird.
Across the sea,
Bird. Fly, fly, bird. Picture ate.
free, building a life with
Ito na barko ate oh.